Yes, sir. Yeah, the full installation.
Shell sir, Urushi ma'am, here.
First of all, extremely grateful and very thankful for such sweet words and very kind words. I must say, first of all, extremely elated to have all of you here. Thank you so much to all the members of media. Uh, I'm just truly elated, and I think I've been truly blessed and very lucky that right since beginning of my career, I have had a great evergreen romantic songs, right from Arijit Singh's Sanam Re, Hua Hai Aaj Pehli Baar, वो चांद कहाँ से लाओगी, and there are multiple, tracks which have added to my filmography, and people love to hear all those tracks. So I'm very happy, and I'm very, fingers crossed that also the same thing happens with our track Rabba Kare, that it adds up to the filmography, and people love it even way more.
लोग होता है ना शेल इट हैपेंस when you have there's a lucky charm हो जाता है and when the lucky charm sort of works it really what just one sec should I wait for the lights to come back on
थिंग एवरीवेयर आई मीन मैं देखता हूँ कभी गोवा में होती है कभी वहाँ होती है कभी यहाँ मतलब इट्स रियली अमेजिंग सी कीपिंग योर सेल्फ यू नो एंगेज विद सो मेनी थिंग्स एंड अगेन keeping yourself so fit and fine.
that is another thing
That is
also
no, that is something.
उर्वशी का जो
It's very
workout schedule
difficult.
उसको देखकर ही मैं बेहोश हो जाऊं
It's very difficult. यार आदमी की हालत बुरी होती है you know but I think it's all a hard work and I again I'm saying मैं बोलना चाहूँगा कि बहुत ही मज़ा आया हमने जब काम किया दुबई में 2 days का शूट था हमारा so it was fantabulous working with her and I personally wish her all the success in her forthcoming projects whatever she's doing and obviously रब्बा करे अभी गाना है आप सब प्लीज प्यार करिए शेयर करिए
that is good
थोड़ी मार्केटिंग करना चाहूंगा मैं यहाँ पर
थोड़ी we can do lots of
आई नो
marketing उर्वशी 2 दिन के शूट में पहले 2 घंटे कैसे रहता है you met Shail over there of course we've known Shail for a period of time also as a singer and as an artist we've always known him first 2 hours how is it meeting Shail
I have to say that when I met him, I told my parents that I'm working with him, and they were really over the moon, and they were very happy because they love him, and they told me, "Are you're working with Sheil Oswal? Okay, you don't have to worry." That's what exactly they said, that you don't have to worry. And right from that moment, I didn't worry at all. And it has been such a smooth ride. I think I find him really very unique because apart from being truly super successful, businessman, uh, at the same time, how do we say, आजकल वो song trend चल रहा है ना, millionaire. So I would say that, he is such a successful businessman, but in every successful businessman, you'll find this one thing that they lack the creative part, which I don't know from where he gets this so perfectly. He has this such a emotional, very gentle, very such a great music sense, and he is very high on creativity, and that's where we really blend it all together. But at the same time, he is so good in what he does, which is his original business. So I think it's a great mix, and I this is the kind of a mix which it's really hard to find, and he's the rarest one.
इतनी बढ़ाई
मैं वही बोल रहा सर
ओहो माय
but
थैंक
Shail
यू
is
थैंक यू
Shail is
उर्वशी
absolutely right
नहीं नहीं
it's very
but so
difficult to do
so
both
kind of I'm really kind of you I thank you so much and likewise same goes for her the amazing human being amazing person you know I saw her that song Sanam Re you know one thing good about Urvashi is that she can mold herself into any character तो इसमें थोड़ा डिफरेंट हमने कोशिश की कि वी हैव टू शो भाई दैट सिंप्लीफाइड काइंड ऑफ दैट जोन राइट इतना अच्छा बन के आया तो वी ऑल आर हैप्पी यार बस अभी तो अब आपके ऊपर है
इन सब के ऊपर है but it's a large team that was involved in making the track also was this an immediate yes like ऐसा था multiple versions इसके बने थे या फिर जैसे कई बार होता है ना you're not back and forth चलते रहता है ऐसा हुआ था इस पे या immediately yes हो गया था
नहीं आई थिंक इमीडिएटली yeah we had the story we had the screenplay ready and so once she was on board that's it we just shot 2 days and yeah
I
in the
like
flow
the arrangement of the track also बीच में a lot of the songs that you have na have this love story vibe to it There's a nice groove to it also.
Yeah, yeah.
And there's a lot of electronic element that goes into it.
Yeah.
So whose idea was that?
This was completely my music composer. Actually, I went back to my old team from Hirie. Vidhu Goswami, तो I call him Vidhu da, he's a Bengali. तो मैंने कहा दादा कुछ अलग करते हैं, जेन जी का कुछ करते हैं, थोड़ा अपबीट करते हैं, मुझे ना वो मेलो नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है, रोमांटिक गाना करेंगे, but again I have this vision that let's make this track a little, like as you rightly said, electronic, little upbeat guitars. तो वो फिर उन्होंने कुछ बना के मुझे भिजवाया. So we were jamming यार, दो तीन आई melodies. फिर final I thought that this is the one we should.
Mix off very nicely. Just
Thank
before
you,
I
thank
open
you
out
so
to
much.
also the public also. What is on your playlist right now? Rishi, you're traveling. Like Shell said, you're always traveling. क्या सुनते हो? Because I know you're not doing the meetings that your team is
I
doing.
might travel after this as well.
Immediately.
Yeah.
अभी गोवा होगा ना, yeah. But I want to understand what is on your playlist. क्या सुनते रहते हो?
I
म्यूजिक
really-
सुनते हो या फिर स्क्रिप्ट रीडिंग्स चलती रहती है? क्या चलता है?
नहीं, I'm a big time music lover, and I've been hearing a lot of Sabrina Carpenter's tracks these days.
Wow.
And I just like, I so love her music, be it like espresso or any kind of songs. I think Sabrina Carpenter's
Nice.
music, and I've also been hearing a lot of Tylaz, a lot of like Afro music, and a lot of what do we say, Korean pop. I like. So
You
I like.
throw so many
people-
मैं
goodies,
एक
and I
चीज-
expected something totally different.
I'm sorry I'm interrupting, but I have to say this. Urvashi had told me that she's also a singer and she sings. I really, I was so impressed, and I asked her like, what genre of music do you like? She's like, I love these, melodies, and तो मैंने कहा कमाल की बात है ये. I've not heard her singing, but I would love to, someday. I mean, whenever, I
एक
told her.
एल्बम काटने का टाइम आ गया है. उर्वशी,
नहीं, मुझे इतना, और देखो उत्तराखंड से है, तो वहाँ तो वैसे भी संगीत तो लोगों के जहन में है, क्योंकि मैं नैनीताल में शूट कर रहा था, मुझे याद है वहाँ पर, आई मीन पहाड़ों में ना, एक्चुअली म्यूजिक की सेंस बहुत होती है लोगों को. आई हैव सीन दैट, and I think maybe she's from that state, beautiful state, and she has that sense and she sings. That was the most amazing thing, So
एक हो जाए हमारे इनके लिए थोड़ा सा. I'll just
अरे
have
please,
one-
please, please, you have to. I would love to. Love to.
I'll have a little bit for. This is dedicated to him.
Oh, thank you so much.
And
That's what I love about you.
everyone.
आप always ready रहते हैं. This is the best part. हो जाए.
It is a lot of people will not understand it, but it's like a bit different. Though I'm not ready, but let's go ahead. Alieri Ari Pia Bena Alieri Ari Pia Bena सखी जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीनो रतिया खटत मोहे तारे गिन गिन एरी आरी पिया बिन सखीरी आरी पिया बिन.
Woo!
Unrehearsed. Live. I have
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
wonderful. उर्वशी, मेरे पास लाइव सिंगर्स आ जाते हैं, मेरे रेडियो स्टूडियो में आते हैं, मेरे टेलीविजन स्टूडियो में आते हैं, और वो नहीं गाने को तैयार रहते हैं यार. और वो बोलते हैं गला खराब है मेरा. So fantastic. Shell, now she sang. You have to
For
sing.
him.
रब्बा करे.
मैं
This was for him.
मैं
Wonderful. So wonderful.
एक गाना गाना चाहूंगा. चलो ये है यहाँ पर and आप भी सब हैं. So the song actually which kind of changed my perception, for love songs, and जहाँ शुरुआत हुई थी मेरी. So I'll sing few lines of Hiri. तू ही जिंद मेरी है, दिल दा करार नी, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता, सोनिए हीरिए तेरी याद आंदी है, सीने विच तड़पदा है दिल जान जांदी है. Thank you.
Wonderful. Flashback हो गया हमारा.
अरे वाह.
Before I open out, we'd love to hear Rabba Kare also. A couple of lines would be nice. Yeah.
We can play with the music actually. Upbeat है ना? With the music we can play. I mean I can sing with the music.
Yeah,
है ना थोड़ा
play ना.
उसमें एक
गाना
got
सुना
that-
दो.
थोड़ा उसमें मजा आएगा.
Done?
Upbeat. मैं इसका बनाऊंगा अनप्लग्ड अगर ये चल गया.
You should. Play, Baba. Video नहीं, only audio.
Audio. Look center. Thank you. Straight look.
All right, thank you, Rishi. Share to have you in the center, please.
Right, sir.
Done? Yes, okay. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.
अरे डिम्पल यार तू तो ऑडियो ऑडियो
You want solos now? Solo? Shail, if you could just